Okay, so with Cerakote, it needs absolute 100% protection. And in order for the Cerakote to adhere properly to any substrate, any surface, it can't have any contaminants on the surface. Hence the reason we've got a fully cladded room here, contaminant free, in order to be able to put the coatings on and with maximum adhesion to its best. So gloves are always needed. And as you can see here, the process is usually to shot blast all the parts first. Now, obviously, I'm not going to show you the shot blasting part because it's quite boring to watch. But as you can see, we've got these wheel hubs here and they have been shot blasted, ready to go. So what I'll be doing today is coating these up in a ruby red, which is a H306 colour. And that's in the H series, which means that what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to gas these parts out first. What that means is coming over to the oven. And this is an oven that sits at about 130 degrees cure, 2 hours on H series. So what we'll do is we'll just knock the temperature down to about 130. We'll get that oven nice and hot. And what we'll do is we'll get some hooks. And we need 4, I believe. Look at that. Fucking hell. First time. And we get the hooks onto the parts like this and we get them in the oven, and this is called gassing out. Essentially what gassing out is it removes any contaminants that are seated in the porous parts of the metal, greases, contaminants or anything like that, and they will then be pushed from the material in order for us to be able to make sure that we're completely contaminant free when we apply the Cerakote. So as you can see here, we'll just hang these parts up, get a bit of smoke out the oven. We'll get these hung up. And usually, gassing out doesn't take too long, 20 minutes, half an hour. But like I say, it will remove all the contaminants that are sat in that porous parts of the metal, because regardless of how solid you think your metal is, there will always be porous parts, especially with second-hand parts that have received some corrosion, some wear and tear and some use. So yeah, they're 4 wheel hubs we've got. And then we've also got here a bag rider and a rifle stock that we will be coating as well, and they will be going in a colour called charcoal green, which is a H338. Again, H series, so it's a heat cured product, and the same thing again, the same rule applies throughout. Especially with these parts, we will be gassing them out as well to make sure that it's all contaminant free. Okay, so 20 minutes in there and on to the next part of the process.